welcome back to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this. The beginning part of this is going to be our hour-and-a-half drive down, condensed down into a few short clips here. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, leave me some comments down below. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and join my YouTube family. Hit that red subscribe button. I can't wait to talk to you guys in the comments, and I will let you guys enjoy this view.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So now we're coming toward the end of our drive, where we're going to be ending up on 101 in the Eureka Fortuna Arcata area, and we are going to be going out to the beach, and I hope you guys enjoy the bits of clips that I have of that as well. And I even talk a little bit at the beach there, so I hope you guys are enjoying this.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
So we are at the beach. You may not be able to hear me right now, but I'm vlogging today. I'm taking you along with us on our day, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, give it a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button down below, and join my YouTube family.
Walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
Alright, so we're at In-N-Out for lunch. We're gonna go in and grab our lunch, and then we are going to Bed Bath & Beyond and Target, and I will take you guys along with us a little bit on those as well. Hello. I did not film at Target or Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond had like the 80-90% sale going on. They were getting ready to close, and they had like nothing in store. So I didn't film in there. It was like walk in, walk out situation. And then Target, we walked around and we looked at stuff. We got some grocery stuff, but mostly like just little household things that we kind of needed. So we didn't really film much there. I did film our biggest part of the trip, which was our beach trip, and then coming down. Our drive is an hour and a half to get to the beach, get to town, to go grocery shopping, to do all of that. So I filmed that part. We did In-N-Out for lunch. That was perfect filling lunch for us. We are at a gas station now, and then we are heading back up the hill. So maybe I'll end this video out with a little bit of the tree footage on the way up, back up to the trailer. But I think this is gonna be a short vlog since I haven't been posting very much, but I hope to see you guys more in so many more other vlogs, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Talk to me nice.